Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Hi YouTube, how are you? Hope you all doing well, guys. So it's time for me to make a new wig. So guys, I can't wait to see this. So guys, today we are starting a new wig and we're gonna use this braid, this is the type of braid I'm going to use. This is Abuja. Oh my god. So guys, we have Abuja. I thought that we're gonna use Pamoja, but they got me Abuja. Oh my god, I love this color. This is color 350, but you can't see it because it's bright. So guys, this is the color we are going to use. So I'm going to cut this braid in two pieces. Yeah, I'm going to cut this braid in two pieces. One shorter, one shorter. So guys, let me show you how I have labeled my so this is it. So so this is our wig. We are ready for you. So are you guys ready to watch me cut this into two pieces? So let's start. Let's start. This is our beautiful color. Oh god, I love this color so much. Oh guys, I was bitten by this spider. I want this wig shorter, very short. So let me first divide it into two parts. So that I can get the real measure. So
she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. All stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. Every shot from the top.
My scissors are not scissoring. Oh, I think I need to buy big scissors. This is how it came out. Just cut it into two pieces. So let's go to another label. How we do it called doing like this? How we do it called this? Let me divide it in two. Guys, how we do it called this? This I'm doing. How do we call this? I don't know why. Whenever I look into my camera, oh, my English just vanish like that. I don't know why. Whenever I come here whenever I start recording myself, I don't know why I cannot speak. But when I'm not recording myself, I can speak good English. So guys, I can't wait to meet this new wig. Let's fast pull this apart.
City streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top.
Also put this one apart.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours